Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a Sri Lankan spicy fish cutlet. For that you would need 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 4 stems of curry leaf, about 10 Thai chili. I got here a large and a medium onion. I boiled up 3 large potatoes and I mashed it up and I added 1 teaspoon of salt to this. And I have 1 tin fish here. I added about 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and you would need salt to taste, and 2 eggs and breadcrumbs. So let me go ahead and chop this up and I'll get back. Okay guys, so I chopped up my onion, green chili, and the curry leaf. I like to chop up my curry leaf, and I forgot to mention that you need half a lime. So basically what you need is, I have a pan heating here and I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my mustard seed and fennel seed. I'm going to be adding my onions. I'm going to let this fry for a couple of minutes. It's been frying for a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my chili. And my curry leaf. Let these to fry for about another couple of minutes or so. This has been frying for about a couple of minutes. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my tin fish and add just a little bit of salt to your taste, and add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this up and let it fry under for another 4 minutes or so. This has been frying for about 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the mashed potato. So now what you're going to do is blend this together. So I mixed this up really good. So guys, you gotta have to mix it up really good. Mash the potato in and just blend it together. Check the salt, and you can add pepper if you want more, if you prefer. And I have the half a lime. I'm gonna squeeze the half a lime in it. And then just give it a good mix. So I mixed in the lime, salt, everything is perfect. So I'm going to let this cool for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to show you how to make the fish balls, which is a fish cutlet. So I'll show you the next step. Guys, so this has been cooled down. So what I'm going to be doing is taking it and then just making it into a ball. Alright, let me do a couple of these and I'll show you the next step. Alright, so I have the cutlets, so I already did, and I have some here breadcrumbs, and I have 1 egg. I beat it and the oil is ready to go. So what I'm going to be doing is taking 1 cutlet, putting it in the egg wash, just so. Take it and put it in the breadcrumbs. Now you're going to coat it with the breadcrumbs really well. So take another one So take it out, put it in the crumbs, and then so I'm just gonna keep on doing this, and I'll get back. Okay, so I'm done, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and then drop this in my oil. I'm gonna deep fry it. I had to fry this approximately 2 minutes or so, 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so let me go ahead and fry this. Alright, so it's been frying for about 2 minutes. 3 minutes actually. It's nice and golden brown. Take them out. Alright guys, so this is it. It's very delicious. You must try it, and if you guys like my video, press like, and please do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.